In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Google Docs and Google Slides. Commenting in these platforms is a fantastic way to collaborate, provide feedback, or simply leave notes for yourself or others. We're going to go through the process step by step to ensure it's crystal clear. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is crucial as it gives you access to all the Google services, including Docs and Slides. On the browser page, find and click the Sign In button. If you've got multiple accounts, choose the one you want to use. Enter your password carefully and hit Next. If you ever forget your password, there's an option to recover your account, so don't fret. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. You'll see a small icon with 9 dots. Click on it, and a menu with various Google applications will unfold before you. Scroll a bit to find and select Slides. Though our primary example here will involve slides, remember that the process will be identical in Google Docs, so you can apply these steps there as well. Like once you've entered Google Slides, choose the presentation you wish to work on and open it. If you're in Google Docs, the process is very similar. Just choose the document you want to comment on. Whether you're in Docs or Slides, using the mouse is key to this method. What you want to do is click and drag your mouse to highlight the specific text, image, or object that needs a comment. Be precise to ensure the comment applies to the exact part you intend to discuss. After highlighting, focus on the main toolbar at the top of the page. You're looking for an icon that closely resembles a speech bubble with a little plus sign inside it. This is the Add Comment icon. If at any point you have trouble finding it, hover over the icons to reveal helpful text labels. Once you click on this comment icon, a comment box will magically pop up on the side of your screen. You're now ready to type your message. Craft your comment clearly, since whoever is reading it should easily understand your point. When you're satisfied with your comment, find the blue comment button and click it to finalize and post your comment. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a comment in Google Docs or Google Slides. It's a straightforward process, but knowing exactly how to do it smoothly can save time and enhance collaboration in your projects. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now ready to put these skills into action.